Hello everyone, is me again Vitu. Welcome to Vitu's Kiddie Zone. So today I'm opening Kiwi science kit. My friend's mom gave this to me. Her name is Ramya Auntie. She gave this Kiwi science kit to me. Open it and see what's in here. Let's do unboxing. So it says my body and me. Let's open it up and see what's in it. There is this hairband, like this pad that doctor used to wear. There's also this one. And there's also this pipe. The pad that doctors write on if patients came in. And this is a pipe for the stethoscope, and this is a connecting thing for the stethoscope. It looks like a hairband, right? This is like a paper where our whole body shows, and there's this kind of fluff. And there's these eyeballs and this kind of sticky thing. There's this stethoscope that we keep to the heart to listen. There's like that fossil or something. And there's this other small pipe. And there's this like plastic mirror kind of thing that's wiggly so much. Let's keep it there. And there's these books. See? And there's also X-ray photos. No. There's like this plain paper. And there's this marker and this erasing thing to write on this pad. And there's this, so we have to put the fluff in and make it. And there's this kind of green thing, it's hard to see. This green sticker for bandages. There's this other small pipe. There's two small pipes and one big pipe. And there's these like shoelaces kind of thing. And there's this stethoscope. There's earbuds to put it in. And there's also a rubber band. Let's start with this. I'm going to do the stethoscope today and the rest tomorrow. Let's get what we need for the stethoscope. This is the book for the instructions. To look at this book and see what we have to do. Let's open it to the page. This is the page that we're doing. It's the stethoscope. Let's start. Stethoscope and this organ. Look, we can do a stethoscope and the organ we can do. And we can do the X-ray. Like this. So let's do the stethoscope. This is the stethoscope page. First, let's start with the big pipe. Okay, first let's put this in the big pipe. Then, let's open this up. And then, we will do the second step. So there's two of them. We need this one. It looks like a T, right? Like a really. It's not. And now we have to take it and put it in the end like this. Okay? And then we have to take the other two pipes and keep it in the sides. Like this. wiggly tea. Okay, now let's do the next part. In the next part, okay, so we need to do like this, the other thing, another, and then we have to fold it. We have to do like this and get the hair band. So we have to put it like this. We have to put stickers on both of the sides. Let's do it. Okay, two sides are done. There's two of these connectors. Only take one and keep it in here, and then take the other one and keep it how we did it. Press it till it's all the way like this. Now let's turn to the other page. So take one of these and keep them inside. I know it's going all the way, it has to. And then do the same thing to the other side. And then take the earbuds and I'll get that. And then place it inside. And then do the same thing to the other one. The stethoscope is done. So let's test it out. First, keep these in your ears and do like this. If you can hear a loud sound, let's test it out on my heart. You can't hear anything. If you can hear, good job. It's working. So in my next video, in my next video, I'm gonna do the organs and the X-rays. And in that video, we are gonna see the whole body chart. I hope you like my video. Give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Bye.